Hello friends, how are you doing today? So in this video series, we are going to talk about a day in, okay? A day in application development manager role, a day in technical architect role, a day in performance architect role, a day in cloud architect role, etc. Okay? So to start with, everyone might have crossed this developer journey. So let's start with a day in developer, okay? So what exactly the developer does? So if you are a Java developer or a .NET developer or any technology, any language developer, the day starts with your agile scrum call, right? Because nowadays everyone is following agile methodology. So let's go with an agile methodology scenario, okay? So when you get on your stand-up call, you talk about your story, like what exactly you did yesterday and what is the blockages or any obstacles, and what is your today's task, right? So once after explaining all these things in the scrum call or stand-up call, so what you do, you come to your place and start looking into the story and see what functionality needs to be implemented today and what are all the other related components that you need to talk to, and who are all the developers you have to reach out for completing your task, right? And once after completing your task, what you do, you make sure that your code is checked in, and if this functionality is complete, communicate to your peer QA person so that QA person can pick up that functionality and test in their test environment, right? And if your functionality needs to be tested with scaled down performance testing, you can talk to the performance engineering team and make sure that your code is deployed in the performance test environment as well, so that they can pick and run the scaled down performance testing or whatever the performance testing setup they have, and they will do the performance testing. So now your piece of code or microservice, whatever you developed, has gone through the phases like application development, code finishes, code review, and QA, and scale down performance testing, right? Now your code is ready to push to production if there are no dependencies with the other microservices or other functionalities, okay? So similarly, in your team, if you have a couple of developers, they may also complete and follow these phases so that your the project will be into a finished stage, and you can deploy as a complete project and go through all the phases once again, like full-fledged the system testing or unit testing and functional testing, and post that you push the code to the performance testing, or you can do the scale down performance testing or full-fledged performance testing in parallel to the QA testing as well. And if there are any bugs identified by this testing team, you will be giving you will be taking some time to fix those bugs, and then finish all the bug fixes, and then you will get the code into again another round of testing with QA and performance engineering, and you will be ready to push the code to production, right? So this is how a life of developer in agile world moves on, right? So let's talk in detail about each phases, what exactly the developer does in each phase, and if there are any documents or any best practices required, we will update in this video in the description below, okay? So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you will get additional notifications about my new videos, and share this video to your friends so that they can also get benefit out of this. Take care, bye.